friends and other team members. This is the many occasions I have been here in Niti Aayog while working with Atal Innovation Mission and Capgemini. So where the corporate or the government and the NGO plus academic institutions, higher education institutions and the people from the grassroots. So like in the punch, we make a fist which is much more stronger than the single finger. So leveraging each other's, we are good at something. So coming together, we can make a difference. So that is the how we are working together and supporting each other and making the nation proud. So this occasion, I said earlier also we had a similar kind of occasion where we unveiled almost 15 stories of change as a first law. There was meeting it there, and the Community Innovation Fellowship also first batch. At the same time it was graduated. This is the second occasion. Today we are unveiling the 5 stories of change. They are coming from the Ladakh or Mumbai or Jharkhand or northeastern states and MIT Meerut. These are the stories we are getting unveiled here today. And nice to see that all CAF fellows were graduating in the second batch. So this is a great moment for all of us. So this is things are not happening at the higher level than grassroots level. You know? So when you bring the change at the bottom of the pyramid, so it gives a much more the stronger foundation and sustainability and a bigger impact on the top. So here, coming together, I would like to thank Capgemini, which we have been working with the Capgemini for the last 8 years. We started at a small place in Chennai and Bangalore. Now we moving together when time is passing, so across the parental level. Then we together joined with the Niti Aayog, and we have been collaborating with the Atal Tinkering Labs, Atal Innovation, the ACIC centers and the SAI famous kind of thing. A long way to go, and Dr. Vice Chintan is here. Last 2-3 years, sir, we have been interacting with you, working with you, kind of thing. Wish to see that a much more bigger role and play, you know, together we can make a difference. And with these few words, I like to thank Nithasta. She is the one driving it from the day-to-day basis operations with my team members. So here the Rakesh is there, other team members are here. Ishangi and Pooja, Vishal, Hani, and Capgemini Rimi. She has been there here based out of the Delhi and so driving the things at the back end, and this is a bigger front end ground level kind of thing. And I wish you all the best, all of you, and the CAF fellows who are graduating. And the stories of change is the masters, you are the masters, you know, you are inspiring other people. And we would like to tell your stories. Last time also Niti Aayog has shared these stories on the platform, virtual platform, reaching the people. And also you can think of not only just sharing on the platform, but also is there anything putting it all the stories of 15 on the first batch and this 5 together and giving it to the various institutions, you know, physical copies also. You can think of that will make a difference. With these words, I would like to congratulate all of you people here and thank you.
You need to be in Delhi on 9th and 11th also, and then there is a travel on 5th also, and I said that I don't want to miss this 5th one. The reason I don't want to miss this, मेरा मानना बहुत स्पष्ट था कि 5 में 9th, 10th, 11th I can miss that particular thing, because 5th time for me was important day because that gives you an opportunity to interact with people who are creating solutions there. And this is not just the occasion of graduation ceremony, and this is not the occasion of unveiling of the as a change story, but this is as a celebration of innovators who are sitting in this room, of your resilience, of your thought processes, of your willingness to take a risk, your ability to what is called foresee some of the things which are unknown to or invisible to naked eye. और उस तरह से जब मौका जब मिलता है ना, तो मेरे जैसा इंसान I think I can negotiate other dates but not these days, because these days they've become very important for me to be around there. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to be around, to listen to some of the, I'll say, stories which are not going to change the way we think, but it's going to change the way the other communities are going to think. And you are already a role model for your immediate community there, but you will become the role model for a wider community once these stories go out there. And I don't want to miss out. बोलते हैं कि आप गवाह थे कि नहीं थे, तो मैं उस मौके को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ जहाँ पे इसकी गवाही लिखी जाएगी कि कौन कौन लोग वहाँ पे उपस्थित थे, जिनके सामने में ये कहानी रची गई थी। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं भी था, मैं भी वहाँ बैठा था और मैंने भी उन चेहरों को देखा था जिन चेहरों के ऊपर में, if I look at your faces also, if you look at your faces, if you look at your mirror also, these are those तबके जो नहीं बाल निकल के आते हैं, people who go through a lot, और जैसे सोने को तपाया जाता है आग के अंदर में, तो and then you beat that with बड़े हथौड़े से, and if you look at all the faces are reflecting the kind of energy that you all are putting there to create what you have created there. It's not an easy journey in all possible sense there, and it's a journey which needs to be, I'll say, told to as many people as possible, so that they can also feel hugely motivated by some of the work that all of you have done. So commendable. This is the occasion to clap for yourself. All of you should clap, thinking that this is
as community innovator fellows. First of all, let me just say a big thank you to Anurag, Capgemini and his team, Suresh Reddy, and the SRF Foundation team. We have many partners in many different programs, but the work of ACIC and community innovation needs a patient partnership, like the patient care. In this case, we are actually on the journey of discovering a model, right, as to what works. In a normal business incubations case, when we started, say, an AIC, we knew that this has worked all around the world and something similar will work here because our academia looks very similar to any other academia and so on. But we couldn't use any template from anywhere in the world for community innovation, right? So इसमें कुछ और इजाद करना था. इसमें ये पता था कि potential बहुत है, right? In our country, when you go around, you do meet very creative people. But I think I think our initial understanding of how this is going to work was different than what is happening. I'll tell you very briefly about it. पहले हम लोगों को ऐसा था कि भाई community innovators तो हर जगह है हमारे देश में. This is an Antakshari moment, we thought. You create an Antakshari and they will show, and then you others music directors will take them like that, right? They will become successful and create solutions and so on. Now that part may still be right, that they are everywhere, but I think what we didn't understand before launching ACIC, a type of a movement, is that capable institutions who can support them in remote parts of our country are not there everywhere. These have to be built. In fact, not only that, but even one has to hand over in terms of how to think about this space in the first place. Like for instance, you will go around, a lot of people who want to create an ACIC, many institutions, are engineering colleges, for example, right? They will come and tell us, there's a lot of community around us, you give us money, will go with the community. We have to say that no, you have to first go to the community, right? Because I think even in most of our colleges and universities in remote areas also, the aspiration of an individual is to go join the mainstream in Bangalore, Gurgaon, even abroad. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. I'm just saying that mindset that here is somebody from the community who's solving problems of the community, that is not a mainstream mindset. I think so. That's something we learned. So I'm saying this mainly to say that आप लोग as graduates of this cohort, you are our champions to tell these stories. So more people जो आपके आसपास हैं, जिनको भी कुछ करना है, वो इसका फायदा उठाए, they join the stream and so on, right? We understand that problems you are solving are harder problems, right? इसमें वो well-laid path नहीं है कि आपने कुछ प्रूव कर दिया, इन्वेस्टर आ गया, आपने पैसे इकट्ठे कर लिए, you started to scale up, etc. One question which again I'm sharing with you what we are learning, so that you can help us learn more, because to us we're all building this program together, right? One question is, what is so unique about the community innovator? Is it that they happen to be from the community? Is it that they are solving a problem that of a community that others don't know? There's a problem that can be solved. What are the set of things that they are doing differently, right? And is it something that is there something deeper about who these people are as compared to who this more of a business incubation में से जो निकलते हैं, उनमें कोई फर्क है क्या? That is one question, right? I feel
we have a promo.
Here in the village, there is no employment opportunities and livelihood opportunities.
हमारे जैसे इतने पढ़े लिखे लोग अगर झारखंड के लिए कुछ नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ के लोगों के लिए नहीं सोचेंगे, तो who will think about it?
जो नवाचार है एक प्रकार की भक्ति है, भक्ति का कोई उम्र नहीं होता है।
मेरा मिशन है कि मैं इंडियन आर्ट और इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल आर्टिस्ट को दुनिया को नए तरीके से ले जाना चाहती हूँ।